Hello guys, welcome back. Today is 89th day of our 100 days of challenge of Adobe, and today we are going to make this. So let's get started. So here we are in After Effects. Firstly make a new composition, 920 by 1080 frame rate, let's make it 30, and seconds let's just keep it 5. Okay, now create a new, I'm leaving it the background as it is, new text, and type it as particles. Okay, increasing size to 210. Sorry, increase the size to 210 like this. Okay, yeah, now select the text, we can increase it little bit more bigger, align it to the center like this. Now select the text, you can choose any color, I am choosing this one. Hit OK, go to effects and presets. Okay, the effects and presets are loading. Yeah, now type for bevel, let's choose as bevel alpha. Let's make the thickness 13, the light angle 90, and the light intensity 0.5. Now you have this nice 3D looking text. Now duplicate the text like this. Now search for particle system 2, apply it on the second layer duplicated. You can delete the alpha from it, bevel alpha. Now make the birth rate, let's make it to 50, longevity to 4. Let's open producer, let's make it 0 for now. Let's keep the radius as it is for now. Go to physics, make the physics to fractal explosion, the velocity to 0.5. okay, now the gravity to 0.3, the velocity to 40, the resistance to 20, and let's make the direction to minus 90 and the extra to 2. Now come to particle and select the particle, max opacity to 25. Yeah, it will be okay. Now select the particle color, the light one this, and the dark one, the dark shade from your text like this. Now come at the first frame, add keyframe on position, and at behind 2 seconds like this. Let's make the x value to 920, means at the end of your composition. Now what we can do, add a composite to increase your boundary box, apply it on top of here. Now you can see we have this nice looking particles flowing. Now let's just increase the radius to y until it cover your whole text area like this. Yeah, perfect. Now let's do one thing, add turbulent displace below here. Let's make the amount to 30, angle 90, complexity to 1.3. now you have some turbulating particles. Now we are going to end the effect by adding a linear, okay, linear wipe on the below text layer like this. Let's make the feather to 50 and at here when the particles are going to start, just before add a keyframe on transition completion, and when the particles complete to flow, let's make it 100%. and now you can see we have nice let's just adjust some keyframes to get a perfect look. And now you can see we have particle disintegrating effect. Nice. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. A quick video to how to make how to create a disintegration effect of your text, or you can just add same effect for your logo. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe the channel. So let's meet tomorrow again. Till then, stay safe, take care, and keep watching the channel.